Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sukriti Sharma and this is the first time you're watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So today guys, all my girls, in this video I'll be shooting a facial at home because we all are stuck at home. This is a lockdown situation. So I'll be doing a facial at home with whatever products I have. And if you don't have any kind of facial kit or something, I'll be suggesting you any kind of alternative which you can use to do your facial at home. So without much of blabbering, let's just dive. So girls, I was lucky enough, I stocked some facial kit with myself. So this is the VLCC facial kit. This is the anti-tan facial kit which I have, which I'll be using in for this video. So this is the facial kit I've been using from years on and off, because when I don't have time to go out to a parlor, I sometimes do my facial at home only. Because we all trust VLCC products. It's vegan and it's Ayurvedic products. I've been using it from years and we can trust VLCC anytime. So I will use this kit from my facial video. And also you can use any kind of facial kit you have, or you can substitute it with any kind of homemade DIY scrub or any kind of massage cream if you don't have any facial kit. Also, I would advise every girl, do your research properly, because I have this combination skin. So I have this oily, this T-zone is oily and rest is combination skin type. So the product which are basically for dry skin, always opt for the products which are best suitable for you. If you have acne prone skin, if you have sensitive skin, do all the research. Never buy the product which which your friend or sister is using or which the parlor suggest you. Do your research on your skin type, the skin type you have, the skin sensitive skin, acne prone skin, and watch the videos and then accordingly buy the products. So just lot of gyan has been spoken. Okay, so starting up with cleansing my face, I am using this Lakme cleansing milk to cleanse my face so that no dirt or makeup is there on my face before I start my facial. If you don't have any cleansing milk with you, you can use milk or honey mixed with, or you can use rice water also. And if you have a cleanser, do apply the cleanser and cleanse your face properly so that there is an even base and there is no dirt and anything on your face before you start this. So yeah, massage the cleanser on your face and wipe it off with cotton or a sponge. So I'm using the sponge. You can use any sponge. If you don't have any sponge, you can use towel or any hanky also. Wipe it off so that all the dirt, all the makeup, everything comes off, and then we'll start the next step. Before scrub, I prefer taking steam for around 2 to 3 minutes so that my pores gets open and I do the exfoliation, and it benefits you a lot. So okay, I have taken the steam, and because my skin has become a little soft, and now exfoliating it and doing the scrub will have a lot of benefits. Pores open ho chuke hain and all of the dirt and everything comes off very easily. That's why scrubbing is very important. Before steam lena is very important before doing the scrub. So this is an oatmeal scrub which I'll be using. So this is a powder based scrub. So the girls who have very dry skin, do not ever opt for a powder based scrub because it can make your skin more drier. If you have a dry skin, opt for a cream based scrub. And if you have very oily skin, you can not use cream based scrub because then you can feel a lot of oil on your face. Then you can opt for powder based scrub. So that's why I'm saying always choose products according to your skin type. So what I have to do is I have to mix this powder with some water and apply it on my face. Small amount of this scrub. This is an oatmeal scrub. So if you don't have any facial kit at your home, you can make your own scrub, your own DIY homemade scrub by using any kind of thing, like by mixing coffee and sugar, or by mixing honey and sugar and olive oil. You can make your scrub according to your skin type, but do the research properly, because making DIY homemade scrub, if you have sensitive skin or if you have acne prone skin, it can harm your skin also. So do the research before making any DIY home scrub. So I'm mixing this scrub, apply it on my face and keep it for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then gently massage it over and then gently scrub my face with it. And likewise you can do with the creme based scrub also. Massage it, scrub it for around 1 to 5 minutes, I guess. This face scrub around for 2 minutes, and now I'm taking little water on my hand and massaging it gently with scrub. Do not overdo it. Massage it for around 5 minutes very gently with very gentle circular movements. So you don't have to make your skin feel uncomfortable. Very gently massage the scrub onto your skin and do the exfoliation. and then you have to wipe it off with a sponge. I am taking this sponge dipped in water with cold water, and I'll wipe it off properly. Do not like, because scrub particles can harm your skin when you're doing the later on steps. So wipe it off properly so that every particle of scrub comes off your skin. Okay, the scrubbing is done and I'm wiped my face. So before starting the facial, take some cold water in a bowl so that you can dip your sponge in it and change the water in between whenever required. Cold water can soothe your skin. So next up is this Mela White gel with cucumber extract and aloe vera extract. If you don't have a facial kit, again you can use any kind of natural organic aloe vera gel. You can use the Patanjali aloe vera gel also. What you have to do is you have to just take the gel on your face and you have to massage it all over your face. Massage it for around 5 to 7 minutes till the gel, till your skin absorb all the gel. Do not use any water in between, just the gel, and massage in circular motions, light circular motions, so that the gel gets penetrated into your skin. So massage it all over your face. You can substitute with any natural aloe vera gel also, aloe vera from the aloe vera plant, or any kind of aloe vera gel. You can massage it. Just the idea is just to soothe your skin, just to give a soothing effect to your skin. Okay, so I have massaged the gel into my skin and the skin has absorbed all the gel. Now the other fourth step is a massage cream, the most important step of any facial, because massaging cream onto your face is the main idea of a facial. So this is pista massage cream with pista extract and rose petal extract. If you don't have any massage, any facial kit at your home, you can use any massage cream, any Nivea face cream, or any face massage cream according to your skin type, to massage your face. So this is a pista massage cream which I will be using. This is how it is looking like. So to apply it and start massaging it till the cream gets absorbed. We can use a little water in between to make it little flowy. So the main idea of a facial and using a massage cream and giving a massage, so that the blood circulation, we can give a blood circulation to our face, is just to tighten the muscles and to give an upward massage, so that it tightens our muscles. And so as you can see, I have massaged this cream for like 10 to 12 minutes and my skin has absorbed all of the cream. Now I will wipe it off with a sponge again, and I wipe it off all the cream from my face. You have to, this is a little lengthy process, because the whole facial ka process lies in only the massage process, where you have to massage the cream. So do not forget to massage it at least for 10 minutes, because massage cream, it takes time to get into your skin, and massage it properly. Otherwise there's no point of doing the facial. I know khud se itni massage ho nahi pati hai, there are a lot of steps, but you remember you have to pull off, you massage it in an upward movements, so that you tighten your skin, tighten the skin muscles, facial muscles, and it also helps in blood circulation, which gives you a glow. So the whole facial ka core is in the massage process. So massage, take your time and massage properly the cream. I'm wiping it off properly, and then I'll apply a face pack, and then voila, we are done. Okay, so I wiped off my face and the massage cream is into my face, and I can feel little clearer skin. I don't know if it is visible on the camera. The last step is up, which is the face pack. This is a Mela White pack with winter cherry extract and aloe vera extract. Also again, if you don't have any face pack, you can apply multani mitti mixed with rose water, or any face pack, sandalwood face pack which you have at home. I will also mix this face pack with little rose water and form a paste, and then apply it on my face. I swear by this VLCC ka facial kit. I have used their food facial kit also, and this is the anti-tan. Both of them I have used, and both of them are very effective. I can see the results, and this is a kind of review video also, because a lot of facial kits I've used earlier, I think Biotique or something, which was those were not that effective. But when I used this VLC, so I was like, no, घर पे facial करना is not a good option, because कुछ result तो दिखता नहीं है. Obviously बाहर कोई और आपकी massage करेगा, so then it gives a lot of, it makes a hell of a difference. But if you can't, like in this situation we cannot go out, and if you want sometimes like कि हर बार क्या बाहर से facial कराना, you can buy this kit. This is not that expensive also, and this is a brand we can trust on. So their food facial kit was also superb. I was able to see the results. Almost dry, and I'll take some water and massage it over, and then I'll remove this face pack from my skin. Face, massage it a bit so that it comes off very easily. You can wash your face also, but I generally massage it a little bit. Almost done, and I am feeling a little better, I can feel my skin a little clearer and light. So good I'm feeling. So I will just lock the moisture in. वैसे तो बहुत सारी cream है आपके face पे जो don't apply a very thick moisturizer. I'm using this Face Shop का White Seed Serum, which it is a very lightweight serum. So apply any kind of light serum to lock the moisture, or any kind of light moisturizer. If you don't have a serum, use a Johnson Baby or something. Sorry, use a Johnson Baby or something, any kind of light moisturizer, so that you just need to lock the moisture, and do not sleep like that, or do not keep your face without any moisturizer or serum. Okay guys, so this was a video about facial at home, and because we cannot go out, if you have any kind of facial kit, that is well and good, and if you don't, you can use any kind of ghar ke bane DIY cleanser, moisturizers and scrubs. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you up in my next video. Bye. Take care.